Today, May 12 marks 1 year before Filipino voters elect their next local officials and senators in the 2025 Philippine midterm elections. So we at Rappler ask you, Filipino voters, on what issues in your community need to be solved by current or future officials. Here are some of your answers.
I would like our future leaders to address unsafe bike lanes, hostile pedestrian infrastructure, and car-centric cities.
Garbage collection, heavy traffic, and the illegal street parking.
Pakibalik po ang protected bike lanes, ayusin ang steel road plates, at gawing PWD at pedestrian-friendly ang mga sidewalk at tawiran.
PWD unfriendly sidewalks and establishments, inconsistent fare matrices of tricycles, pedicabs, and trikes, and burning of wastes.
Severe floodings, reckless motorcycle riders in our place, and increasing prices in basic food commodities.
Pagtataguyod ng akalayaang pang-akademiko, pagdadagdag ng budget sa edukasyon at ang pagbabasura ng charter change.
Kahirapan ng buhay dahil sa mahal ang bilihin, mga aso na nasa paligid na pinabayaan ng may-ari, mga basura kahit saan inilatapon.
Employment, mental health, and legal assistance against violators of senior citizens discount.
In 2025, your issues matter in voting for #TheLeaderIWant. Click the link below to follow Rappler's special coverage of the 2025 Philippine midterm elections.